This video covers the basic setup of an UltraSync self-contained hub using the Hub Setup Wizard. Start by installing the battery and optional cellular module, if applicable. Then apply power to the hub by connecting the power supply and plugging it in. Next, open the UltraSync app on a mobile device and select the menu icon in the upper left corner. Now select New Hub Setup and confirm that you are a dealer. On the Begin Setup screen, select Continue. Next, you'll go to the UltraSync portal to provision the hub. Note you will need an active account on the portal in order to log in and provision the hub. Hub Provisioning Process. Log into the portal. Note if this is your first time accessing the portal from this mobile device, you'll need to accept the license agreement. At the top of the screen, select the plus icon and complete the required fields to create a new site. Once the new site has been created, return to the UltraSync app to continue. Follow the steps outlined on the Wi-Fi Discovery screen in order to place the hub in Wi-Fi Discovery mode. Note, if the UltraSync app happened to log out while you were in the portal, simply restart the app and click through the screens until you get to the Wi-Fi Discovery screen. Next, connect your mobile device to the hub by going to the Wi-Fi settings on your mobile device. Select the Wi-Fi network that starts with the name ZeroWire. Once your mobile device is connected to the ZeroWire network, return to the UltraSync app and select Continue. You'll now see the success screen. Press Continue, then Continue again. Next, you'll select the hub's communication connection method. The recommended connection method is Ethernet, where you simply connect the hub directly to the router. But for this training, we're going to select the Wi-Fi method. Note, if you are also using a cellular module, make sure that has been installed. Now select the correct wireless network from the list and press Continue. Enter the Wi-Fi password as prompted and press Continue. You'll be asked to confirm the Wi-Fi credentials. Once verified, press Continue. Next, you'll be asked to enter a web access passcode. This is an 8-digit code that is required in order to set up mobile access to the hub. Once you've entered the code, press Save and Continue. Your hub will now attempt to connect to the wireless network, and your mobile device should reconnect to the internet. Next, you'll test the end-to-end connection of the system. Press Test Connection on the app. If the connection test was successful, you'll see the success screen. Press Continue. Next, you will be prompted to change the installer PIN. Once you've entered a new PIN, press Continue. Next, you'll be given the option to change a number of settings on the hub. Note the default settings are those most commonly used. After making desired changes, press Continue. After reviewing the settings on the Finalize Settings screen, press Save. The hub setup is now complete. Be sure that the box next to Add Site to Mobile app is checked and press Finish. The new site will now appear on the My Site screen of the mobile app. You may now log into the site and add sensors and other devices.